Hi guys! So ipopromote natin today ang Protect Todo. Ayan, Protect Todo. Yan, let's go, let's go, let's go! Kailan ka ba mamamatay? Hindi, mamamatay ka pa ba? Hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo mamamatay. That can happen anytime. Diba? Accidents happen. Pero dito, meron tayo 1,000 pesos a year lang. 1,000 pesos may insurance ka na. Can you imagine that? Wow! So the kind folks at Provide, yeah, they have explained to me what their vision is and why they're doing this. They're releasing sa October 10 and they wanna help the masa. They wanna help the people and make it as affordable as they could. Diba? This is very legit. Yeah, imagine that. Kasi usually ang mga prices na is like, it's not affordable. But pag tinanong mo kasi yung mga tao, gusto nyo ba ng insurance? It's a bit expensive. This one, 1K lang, di ba? And then, insured ka na. Imagine that. So, you'll get 100K from it. You can even upgrade it to 500K. Wow! Pero let's talk about it. Let's go! So, madami siyang benefits, 'di ba? Hindi lang siya basta-basta insurance, madami kang benefits na makukuha, 'di ba? Pwede kang magkaroon ng discounts sa mga restaurants, 'di ba? Sa mga appliances, sa gym, sa mga ibang mga medical na pwede mong puntahan, sa mga car insurances, food beverages, sa mga salon, dental clinics, sa mga house insurances, even sa mata mo, sa optical, sa car accessories, you know, phone gadgets, all that, and even travel insurance. Nawala yung kodigo ko. Pero, that's about it. Madami pa siyang benefits bukod doon. Like, tipid na tipid mo na. Ang dami mo ng discounts. Insured ka na nga. Super affordable pa. Tapos, it's coming soon. So, simple lang to. Follow nyo lang sila sa Provide. They have a Facebook. And, nagsisimula pa lang sila. And it's gonna become even more exciting. Okay? So, inuunahan ko na lang kayo para updated kayo. Alright? See ya!